market today is a little bit more challenging for us to get an apparatus within, say, an 18 to 24-month build time. Typically now manufacturers are pushing them out, supply chain issues and other reasons. And so that definitely factored into the thought process here.
In order to get the trucks as quickly as we could, because of a couple of things, both the ladder trucks that we have are pre-2000. Maintenance was becoming a major item within the township itself in order to keep these trucks running. So when we looked at it and said, all right, if we can get a truck and get it in quicker, a stock truck will work for us rather than waiting 24 to 36 months and put the additional money into maintaining them. So we wanted to make sure we could do that. And luckily, Pierce had a few of these coming off the line. It made the opportunity for us to do it. We were able to get the town council to approve it.
I think what's interesting is the manufacturers have recognized that these longer lead times are starting to really hamper fire department activities. When we're looking to get apparatus in to replace an aging fleet, a lot of times we don't have that longevity left in the build to wait.